How is it?
Pretty good. It doesn't taste bad. Definitely has a good taste.
It's alright. It's not really the best. Kind of harsh, but
Well, it's in the bowl.
true. But it does taste good. Alright, so we smoked turbo diesel, I don't know, 2-3 minutes ago. My girlfriend did it, so I'll let her say how she's feeling after 2-3 minutes.
I mean, I definitely feel something. It's not bud, but I mean, it definitely feels a lot better than nothing. Would I regret buying this product? No, definitely not. Did I regret buying the Hawaiian Haze with him? Yes, definitely so. This is basically no comparison. The Hawaiian Haze is, I mean, that was a waste of money. I felt like I got scammed, basically. Like, they make fucking money off people because they're scamming everybody. Like, that shit is garbage. Anyways.
Anyway, she's clearly good. The white rhino, definitely feeling something. Kind of a mental high from whatever that's in it. Would definitely buy both products again. We smoked the diesel, just diesel, not the turbo. That's actually this one. Probably a week or so ago. That was good, so we figured try these two, which were also great. That hunk of turd over there, not so much. Anyway, thanks for watching.